Let's solve this equation. So all of these roots are equal to 128. First, you need to know about the relation between radical and fractional exponents. So we can write this radical like this as a form of a fractional exponent. This is not a trick, literally a different way to write the same thing. Now we convert the very last radical to a fractional exponent. If there is nothing on top of a radical, there is 2. Now we will multiply this x with this. We know if we multiply with the same base, we can just add the exponents. Also, if there is no exponent above a base, there is 1. So we add 1 and half. And got this. Now write this radical as a fractional exponent. We know if you raise a base with an exponent to another exponent, we can just multiply the exponents. After doing so, we got this. Now we can multiply this with x, then we need to add the exponents. After adding, we got this. Now convert our last root into a fractional exponent, and we will also multiply this one, and got this. X to the power of 7 divided by 8 equals 128. Now we raise both sides with 8. For the left side, we multiply 8 with this fraction, so 8 cancels out. We can now take the 7th root for both sides, and on the left side, 7 cancels out, and on the right side, we can write it in fractional exponent form. Now you can use your handy calculator to evaluate this one. Then we got x is equal to 256.